When it comes to portable power, professionals need a reel that works as hard as they do. Meet the Masterplug Pro XT metal open reel, built for the toughest jobs and designed to last. Drop it, kick it, throw it in the van. This reel can handle whatever the job site throws at it. The integrated cable guide makes rewinding smooth and effortless. No more tangled, knotted messes at the end of the day. And with 40 meters of high visibility cable, you can power up wherever you need, while reducing trip hazards and keeping the site safe. Setting up is simple. Just unwind, plug it in, power up and get to work. The pull-out drum handle makes packing faster and easier, so you can spend less time winding and more time working. And when you need control at your fingertips, the localized power switch lets you turn off the reel without running back to the wall socket. With 4 shuttered sockets, a 13 amp power rating and a built-in thermal cutout is designed to keep you powered up. The ergonomic carry handle ensures comfort and control, and the power LED indicator means you'll never have to guess if your reel is live. For builders, tradesmen, DIYers and professionals, the Masterplug Pro XT metal open reel delivers robust performance, premium durability and total reliability, wherever the job takes you.